from lower middle class who has got an admission in NIT Warangal and is all set with many aspirations to start his new life. Let's see what happens next.
See, son, you've been a very good son till now, and I believe that you'll go to college and be a good student as you have been in school. I expect a lot from you as well as your dad expects from you too. So, be sincere and study well.
It's too late, son. Come on, let's go. Stop your emotional drama. Let's go. Okay.
I wish he could understand me a little bit more.
See, I understand your dad is really harsh from outside, but he really loves you and he really cares for you. I think, let's go, we should leave. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't cry. Be a man. Be a man. Why? Be a man. You're going to achieve a lot. Yeah, you. Be a man. Son, this is for you. Have this. And go. Yeah. Go and achieve your dream. Okay. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Hey Pratik, all set to leave?
Yes, kind of, yes.
Kind of seem tensed, why?
Actually, I'm like, I don't want to go.
Dude, it's your hard work that's made you land up in such a good college. You have a great life ahead.
I'm not that sure. I'm a little worried.
All the best.
Remember your first year at college? Lots of opportunities and lots of challenges. Let's see what happens to Pratik on the first day of college.
Hi, Pratik. Hi. How are you? I'm good. You're from? I'm from Mumbai. You're from? I'm from UK. UK?
Good morning, class. I am your new physics professor for this semester. So, as you know, you have all cleared the AIEEE. So, I will just start the basic. Okay? I am supposed to that you have some basic. So, can anybody tell me what is Newton's third law? Yes. What about you, man? That's it. That you will write an exam. No, this is the Institute of National Importance, and you have should have your basics clear. Yes, you. What about you?
Every reaction there is an equal and opposite reaction.
See, that's it. You are supposed to speak like this. No, I can't take this. Get out of my class, please.
Being an all-rounder, facing this with a professor was rejecting for him. All his life along, he was very good at academics. But he also wanted to pursue his passion in college, so he went for guitar auditions.
He's music club then, sir. Subbu hai kya wo?
Did I ask you to sit? Which year are you in? Sit down, sit down. You come for guitar auditions, right? Show me something. English or Hindi, what?
Subbu.
Stop this nonsense, man. What are you playing? Yeah, just do it fast. I have no time. I think I should walk off or you should leave. You suck at it. Don't try music ever. You're pathetic, please.
Now he was rejected from his auditions as well, but he wasn't willing to give up yet and tried hard, and that fetched him someone special.
You play really well. How do you manage everything? Your CAS, your extracurricular? I have no time for anything.
college. It was totally unexpected. She was impressed by his skills and Pradeep felt happy. Happy? He actually felt more than happy. Within few days of introduction, he fell for her and then he took a step further.
No, come on, be a man. Go, ask her. She's a
Be a man.
That you talked with me, it was very nice. Funny. I love you.
What?
Be a man.
He was shattered. All his hopes died in a blink. He was broken and lost all confidence and faith in himself after receiving failures from all sides. Driven by sadness, he chooses the wrong way. Under those circumstances, that was the only alternative he could find.
What happened? You know that girl, I just kind of like her. Oh, that girl. She was not good for you. She was not at all good for you. I take it somewhere. You know, in life you will face a lot of problems. But to all that, there's just one solution. Have it. Let's go. You know this guy?
This thing again.
I proposed and she was like, she always gets and this guy, he used to be my friend. How dare she come to me? Control yourself. Shut up! She was not supposed to do that to me. I'll tell you just one thing. You are a loser. No! And you'll be a loser through your entire life. You will be forever alone. No! Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
As expected, depression got him. His entire world went upside down. Not being able to find any solution, he chooses to finish it for once and for all. Hello? Pradeep, what happened? Listen, we got a call from your college. It seems you've done something really wrong. Yeah, wait, I want to talk to you. Listen to me, I have something to tell you. See, you do have chances. Pradeep, listen to me.
I can't talk to you. Is this Pradeep? See,
Don't talk to him.
I always want me to listen.
Don't talk to him, he's a loser.
I'm going back.
Pradeep, listen to me.
Don't talk to him, I said no.
I don't think so. I should live here. This place is not meant for me.
Was that the only way he could end his problems? I don't think so. What do you guys think? What if life could be reversed to correct your faults? Don't you think Pradeep would definitely talk to his professor that day and understand his mistakes rather than being depressed?
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, that day you asked some questions. I was not just able to answer it, but I believe I can have that.
But that was a basic question. You are supposed to answer it, no?
Yes, sir, but I can prove to myself I work hard this time, but
Yeah.
give me one more chance.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear from you. Study hard and study well, okay? Work hard. Very good.
Don't you think the incident with the guitar guy during the auditions could be reversed as well?